So when we're looking for something, when we're looking to see if something is true or not true, we use these comparison operators. So that first one we've already shown, 2 equal sign, says, are these two things equal? Is it greater than? Is it less than? So is something less than something else? Now, if you struggle with the greater than, less than scenario, you can remember the rule that I tell my kids. The mouth always opens toward the bigger value, right? It always wants to eat the bigger thing because it's hungry, like Pac-Man. But greater than, less than. If you read it out loud, right, is this greater than this? There's always something on both sides of those because they're comparison operators. You're comparing two things. So we have, is it greater than or equal to? And is it greater, less than or equal to? So those are the really common ones. And then we have my favorite, which is an exclamation point and an equal sign. And that says, is this not equal? So if I do this, now let's get rid of my unindented line here that's messing us up. So right now, if I run this, because x is not equal to 3, it only prints the line following the code block. But if I change this to the not equal, now, is that true or false? It's true now because x is not equal to 5. It's true that x is not equal to 5. So when I run that, now it prints those lines. Now, if you think that's fun, just wait, there's more. We have comparison expressions. Let's see if you can tell me whether these are true or false. True or false? True. False. Why is it false? Lowercase. Case matters. Uppercase and lowercase characters in a string are not the same. True or false? Why? That will not produce an error because but some of these will. That's a good point. This isn't, they're not equal because they are not the same. That's another way of saying, are they equal? Are they exactly the same? No, they're not because one's a string, the other's an integer. True or false? True. True or false? True, because less than or equal to. It's less than or equal to. So if they're the same value, or the one on the left is less than, then that's correct. True or false? It's true that the integer is not equal to or not the same. It's true that it's not the same. So sometimes it helps if you say that. Is it true that the integer 7 is not equal to the string 7? Yes, it is true. So false. 7 is not less than or equal to 6. This is a trick question. This will produce an error because what we're doing is we're making a comparison of scale. We're saying, is the string containing the character 4 greater than the integer 3? You cannot make a scalar comparison. You can't make a comparison that a string is greater or less than a number. So that's going to produce an error. So that also produce an error, okay? Because any string compared to a number, unless you're doing it for equality or inequality, so is it equal or not equal, you can do that, but you cannot say it's less than or greater than, okay?